girls, here's Miss Gigi. Just letting you know that I miss you and I love you. And I hope what we're going to do today is going to help you with your homework. We have been talking about notes, and this note is called a whole note. So let's go over it. Whole note, no stem, gets 4 beats, ta, ah. That's the big daddy of them all. Now the next note is the half note. Say it with me. Half note, open note with a stem, gets 2 beats. That one gets 4. Now the next note is our buddy, the ta note. Remember, it's a black note or a filled-in note with a stem. It gets 1 beat, and it says ta. Here comes a little baby note. We call this our 8th note. It's a black note or filled-in note with a stem, and it's got a flag, and it gets a half a beat. A lot of times we see these two notes together. It's what we call our TT. We put the two together. Instead of having flags dangling up in the air, we put this bar across the street, across the top. So let's go back. Whole note, open note, no stem, gets 4 beats. Ta, ah, ah, ah. Half note, open note with a stem, gets 2 beats. Ta, ah. Quarter note, filled in note or black note with a stem, gets 1 beat. Ta. 8th note, black note with a stem and a flag, gets half a beat. T, or when we put them together, T, T. I think that's all. Oops, forgot 2 new guys. This one is called Tripoli. And it looks like 3/8 notes hooked together. And it says Tripoli. It only gets 1 beat, 3 sounds. Watch. Tripoli, 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 Tripoli. So we got to say Tripoli while we clap once. And this next one is our fun note. Four filled-in notes with a bar across the top. This bar replaces the flag, except we got one more thing to do. We have to add a second bar. And this note says ticka ticka. One clap, but 4 mouth sounds. Ticka ticka, ticka ticka, ticka ticka, ticka ticka. We all know what this guy is. That's a rest or a shh. 1 beat rest. Let's go back real quick. Here's our whole note, open note, no stem, gets 4 beats. Ta, ah, ah, ah. There's another way we can do it. We can do it like this. Ta, ah, here's our half note, open note with the stem. It's 2 beats, ta, ah. Or we can say ta, ah. Here's our quarter note, black note or filled in note with a stem. It's 1 beat, ta. Here's our half note. It gets half of this, and we call it T, and we see it a lot, T, T. 1 beat, 2 sounds. Here we go. T, 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 T. Down here we have what's called Tripoli. We say Tripoli, but with one beat. Tripoli, Tripoli, Tripoli. Remember what we call this? This is ticka ticka. Ticka ticka, ticka ticka, ticka ticka. And then here is our rest. Now each one of these has a rest. The rest for this one is an upside down hat. The rest for this one is just like a hat. The rest for this one is this. And the rest for this one looks like a 7 with a ball on the end. I hope this helped you guys. Catch you later. LOL.